Hello and welcome to AnjalisBakeAffair. Today I'm back with another amazing, super easy and lovely recipe for you. It is savory garlic and herb muffins. Yes, they're an amazing snack. You can have them with your beverage. You can have them with a hot cup of soup, or you can just have them with milk. They are good fillers. They are good with evening snack. They are good as a breakfast item as well. So let's get started. But before that, remember that if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so right away for many more such fun recipes. Now let's get started. What you need to make these garlic and herb muffins is flour, baking powder, baking soda, yogurt, oil, mixed dried herbs, some cheese. You can use mozzarella or processed or Gruyers, whichever is available. I used processed cheese, and you can use some fresh herbs if you'd like. Okay, so to begin, take a big bowl, add in the flour, then add in the baking soda, the baking powder, and your dried herbs. Combine them nicely. Then in goes the yogurt and the oil. Mix these to combine them well. Now in goes our cheese. Mix this well with a spoon till you get a thinnish batter. So take care that the batter should be slightly on the thin side. If you need, you can add a little more of yogurt. And I have not used any salt in this batter because I used processed cheese, which itself is quite salty. So our muffin batter is ready. Let it rest for a few minutes while we get on to our garlic and herb butter. For this butter, you need to first melt some butter. I'm using salted butter. So melt this, add in some crushed garlic, and I've added fresh parsley in this. You can also add coriander or even both. Mix it well and your garlic and herb butter is ready. We are going to use this to grease our muffin tins and also to brush it off our baked muffins. Now I'm going to bake them in this big muffin tray because this recipe gives me exactly 12 muffins of a medium size. Here I'm going to grease all these muffin cavities with this butter. Now pour in the batter. Make sure you do not overfill these cavities. They should be about half to 3/4 full only. Now once all the cavities are filled, this goes inside to bake at 180 degrees C for about 15 to 20 minutes or till you see that they are done. Wow, look at these golden babies, how beautifully they've risen. So out come our golden, herby, cheesy, garlicky muffins with no yeast, no egg. And now for the last step, we are going to brush these muffins with the same garlic and herb butter to make them even softer and richer. Yes, this step is optional. And if you want, you can sprinkle some more cheese and some more seasoning on the top. Do you see how easily they come out of this muffin cavity? That's because of all that generous greasing with the butter. And all the flavor of the garlic and the herbs and the butter has been very nicely infused into the muffins. Now let me break open one and show you how it looks from inside. fluffy, it's soft, it's yummy. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead, try this recipe, make it, let me know how it turned out for you. Until next time, bye-bye and enjoy.